sad news for roller coaster junkies. Kings Island says it's tearing down the Vortex. It has been thrilling visitors with its twists and its turns since 1987.
Built for the 1987 season, Vortex was an aerodynamics custom looper roller coaster. But before we get into that, let's get into a brief history of that location of Kings Island. In 1981, Kings Island took a chance on a new prototype roller coaster from Aerodynamics, the suspended coaster. It was called the Bat. It lasted 2 seasons due to stress on the track because of lack of banking for the turns. Toro Ryan has a great video, so if you want to watch it, click the link in the description or in the title card on the upper right hand corner if you're interested in watching it. I highly recommend it. But knowing you guys, you probably have seen it.
Vortex is waiting to take you for a spin, to send you head over heels, upside down, 6 breathtaking times. But I wouldn't keep him waiting if I were you. Feel the grip of Vortex before it's too late.
It's 1987 when Madonna, Hart, Whitney Houston, and Michael Jackson all dominated the music charts. But 80s music aside, Vortex opened on April 11, 1987. At the time, it had the most inversions with 6. It was later surpassed by a taller, larger, faster coaster, also built by Aero in Gurnee, Illinois, called Shockwave. Unfortunately, I never did get the chance to ride Shockwave, despite being old enough to see a tower above the entrance plaza. Coaster College, along with 0 credits remaining, have a good video on the Coaster College channel, so click the card if you're interested or look in the description down below. I'll have it linked. On September 27, 2019, Kings Island announced that they will be removing Vortex at the end of the regular season. Last ride will be given on October 29, 2019. I rode Vortex on October 11, 2019 for the first time. And the following day, all total I got 5 rides on it. To me, it wasn't that bad. It was a little bit rough and had a few quirks like the mid-course brake run being after one of the turnarounds. Shortly after closing, Kings Island began to tear down Vortex, and it was completely removed the following spring. After 33 seasons, Vortex was no more. Vortex, however, still lives on in memories, video, nanocoasters, and other memorabilia, such as part of the rail that Kings Island sold a limited number of.